Hello. So I've built this Go High Level automation. This is for a pest control company. So basically, let's check this out. So basically, this is a contact form from their website, and um, let's check it out. What happens? So basically, whenever customer selects any service type, they can select any sort of property. Currently the house is the like basically all the pricings are for house, but all the other things they like manually handle those things. How many bedroom? Let's take four. Bathroom, let's take four. Additional rooms, let's take two. Then let's do you have any following? Let's add both additional garage and additional subfloor. Uh, do you have a dual proper living? Let's say no, and let's submit. Let's see what happens. Okay. So what happens is if we go to the execution logs, we can actually see what's going on. So this is where the workflow has started. So that form submission, it has been added to the workflow, right? Then here the pricing calculations. I'll show you guys the builder. So then the workflow, it is like that contact, it has been assigned to a certain person of the company. Then one tag has been added, and then like one we have created a new opportunity or updated opportunity if the client is already present in the GoHighLevel. This is a very interesting node. This is a custom code node into GoHighLevel, which is pretty interesting because it says that it follows JavaScript, but it doesn't follow JavaScript in total. Especially for HTTP requests, it doesn't use fetch. It basically uses something called custom request. So if you view the details, like these are all the inputs and this is the output, right? And yeah, this is the all the console logs. And finally, it sends me an email. Let's check out the email. Uh, so I should have already got. So I've been testing it a little bit. So yeah, this is the email I got from them, and these are all dynamic. These pricings are a lot dynamic, and this is an upsell type of pricing. Builder. So if I show you the builder, it's pretty interesting. So let's select this standard builder. So whenever that form is submitted, we assign it to a user, then add some tags, and then create or update opportunities. Now this pricing calculation, why did we use the custom code node? Because otherwise actually if you guys see the whole code, it's a bit too long, like 200 lines almost, right? Oh, sorry, 250 lines almost. So it does a lot of things like standard residential. So there are like lots of checks happen depending on the bedrooms, the bathrooms, the pricings, the additional rooms. So a lot of calculations happen. So if you want to like make those nodes like if you want to use the direct nodes from GoHighLevel, it would be a huge workflow. Like I've tried it and it was like almost 50 or 60 nodes only right after this. So I have compacted in all in one custom code node, and so the update contact prices, so basically the code price that we dynamically send to the like to the user. And finally, if there is an automated code, what we do is there is an email router. Like there are 6 types of email based on which type of pest you want to control, like general pest email, termite only email, then general pest and termite email, flea, rodent, and wasp email. So based on the type of the pest, the email gets sent, and other than this, manual code require tags added. So it's pretty interesting to see in here. And yeah, this is how it works. Thank you.